Hi, I'm Jonathan from Aeon Water Filters. Welcome to another one of our instructional videos. Today I'm going to show you how to install the handheld shower filter hose. Unscrew your existing handheld hose from the wall. Now screw your new hose onto the thread on the wall. Now attach the shower rose to the hose and tighten firmly, checking that the O-ring is in place. Turn on your shower slowly and check for any leaks. Apply Teflon tape if required. Adjust the shower setting to the one that suits you best. Now with all that done, you can enjoy a clean, fresh shower every time. Thanks for watching.